Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to show you best way to increase crop yield and plant yield and better growth through the use of yeast culture, for which we will use water and sugar. We have taken this water. Now we will put sugar in it. So you need to use 2 tablespoons of sugar to add to this amount of water in this bottle. Now we will use 1 tablespoon of yeast. We will add it to this, but let us shake it too in order to dissolve it. But you can dissolve this yeast before putting the sugar as well. That doesn't make any problem. Now we are adding this 1 tablespoon of yeast. Now we will mix it so that the fermentation process boost up. We will put this bottle in a hot place, for example in direct sunlight, in order to increase the process of fermentation. The fermentation process is mostly dependent on the temperature. In higher temperature, in warmer climate, it will be completed in shorter time. But in winter climate, when you have low temperature, so it will take more time. So keep it in mind. I will show this to you later. Now after a few hours, you see this bottle, it has become hard. So there is a lot of gas in it, and this gas is carbon dioxide, and ethanol has been produced due to the fermentation of the yeast and the increase of the culture of yeast. Now we release the gas. Now we use half a glass of this yeast culture in a bucket, and we will use it for irrigation purpose. Now we will put it to the plants. We use it in irrigation water, and due to it the plant growth is increased.